Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to exit a channel on the WhatsApp app for PC, especially after the new update. If you've joined a channel and feel like it's no longer relevant for you, or you just want to keep your chat list clean, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and everything is synced up. Once the app is open, move to the left-hand panel where all of your chats and channels are displayed. Scroll through the list until you find the channel you want to leave. Now, here's the key step. Instead of just opening the channel, simply right-click on it from the list. This will bring up a small menu with different options. Look carefully for the option that says Exit Group. Even though it's called a group in the menu, this is the choice you use for leaving a channel as well. Click on Exit Group, and a confirmation window will appear. This step is important because it gives you the chance to double-check before leaving. If you're sure you no longer want to stay in that channel, go ahead and confirm. Once you confirm, WhatsApp will remove the channel from your chat list, and you won't receive updates or notifications from it anymore. And that's all there is to it. Just 5 simple steps. Open the WhatsApp app, find the channel, right-click, choose Exit, and confirm. After that, the channel will be gone from your chat list and you can focus on the conversations that matter most to you. This new update has made managing channels much smoother on the desktop version of WhatsApp. It's perfect for keeping your space more organized and distraction-free. Thanks for watching.